Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to fix PayPal Express checkout error in Shopify. So basically what you'll have to do is simply change your type of your PayPal account. So most people, when they add their PayPal account, they add their personal account. But in order to fix this problem, you'll have to convert from personal to business account. So you'll have to simply go to settings, and then you'll have to go to payments. And here you'll have to simply remove your PayPal account, your first PayPal account, and then simply click on activate PayPal again, and then you have to simply click on activate. And then here you'll have to simply enter your PayPal account. So let me enter my PayPal account. And basically what you have to do is simply convert from personal account to a business account. So in order for you to fix this problem on your Shopify account with PayPal, you have to simply convert. So as you can see, I'll have to simply log into my account, and basically what you have to do is simply convert. So as you can see, you need a PayPal business account to accept payments on Shopify. So what you have to do is simply select convert your personal account to business, and then simply click on next. And basically that's all you have to do in order to fix this problem. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.